The Vivo X100 Pro feels solid and well made, but it's not too bulky or heavy. The camera bump has a nice texture that reminds me of a real camera lens. The back of the phone has a smooth and shiny surface that changes color when the light hits it. It looks pretty classy. The phone can handle some dust and water, so you don't have to worry too much about getting it wet. All in all, this phone looks and feels as premium a device can get in 2024. The X100 Pro has a stunning 6.78-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen that uses an LTPO panel. It can go up to 120 Hz refresh rate, show all the colors in the DCI-P3 range, and get super bright up to 3000 nits. The screen curves a bit on the edges and has thin borders, so you can enjoy watching anything on it with amazing clarity, brightness, colors, and angles. It's a joy to use this phone for any kind of content. The Vivo X100 Pro is a beast of a phone, thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. It also has a whopping 16 GB of RAM and another 16 GB of virtual RAM, so you can switch between apps like a breeze. You won't have to worry about apps closing or reloading because they'll stay in memory for a long time. This phone is one of the fastest Android phones out there, and it shows. You can multitask smoothly, without any lag or stutter. The coolest thing about Vivo X100 Pro is the camera. Seriously, it's amazing. It has a 50-megapixel main camera from Sony, with a big aperture to let in more light. It also has a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera from Samsung, with a wide lens to capture more of the scene. But the best part is the 50-megapixel periscope camera from Zeiss. It's not like the other zoom cameras you've seen before. It has a special lens that moves inside the phone to adjust the focus. And it uses Zeiss APO lenses, which are super good at making colors look natural and avoiding weird distortions. You can take stunning close-ups and videos with this camera, and they look so realistic. The Vivo X100 Pro has a 5400 mAh battery. It can handle a day of normal use, but don't expect it to last much longer. The MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor is very powerful, but it also drains the battery faster, especially when you're doing heavy tasks like gaming or streaming. The upside is that it charges super fast. It comes with a 120-watt charger in the box, but the phone can only take up to 100 watt of wired charging, or 50 watt of wireless charging. If you're looking for a great phone that won't break the bank, you should check out the X100 Pro. It's a beast of a device that can compete with some of the most expensive phones out there. This phone has it all, and it's especially great for photography lovers. This is a smart choice for anyone who wants a flagship phone without paying a premium.